to my vlog! Welcome back to another vlog. This is a very special vlog kasi pupunta kami ng Japan! Ah! Japan! Yes, Japan. Tokyo, we're going to Tokyo. Sa Tokyo lang kami, pero still, you're just gonna look around. Tapos makita mo, ang ganda sa Japan. Anyway, right now, I'm gonna pack. And I have around 2 hours bago ako umalis papuntang airport. Cram time! Kaya bilisan na natin. Minasan, konnichiwa. 実は今回の日本旅行は2回目です。アニメをよく見てるので日本につながるようになったと思う。今回はハルマと友人たちと旅行します。Hi guys, nandito na kami sa airport. It's 2 a.m. We're so early. Ganun kami ka-excited. Isn't that right, Miss Anna? Are you excited?
I'm super excited.
Konnichiwa. May tanong po. Nihon no hanashimasu ka?
I really don't understand.
Ay, okay. So you're here as a tourist?
No, for work.
Ooh, work. So yung mga girls in front?
Yes.
For work?
Yes.
Okay, good luck sa work. Gambatte mo.
Kaya po, what are you gonna do in Japan?
Ano, taga-Japan talaga.
Swim ka?
Hindi, gala lang.
Really?
What's your name?
Ori.
Hi guys, follow Ori for her bright future. Wow! And here we are. Fast forward to this time. Gusto ko sana kayong itour dun sa pinagsistayan namin. Kaso, pagdating namin dun sa Airbnb, we needed to bihis na para we have a lot of time to spare on walking around the city. And that is what we're gonna do today. Just walk around the city and explore Tokyo, Shibuya, period! Hi, Missy! How do you feel right now?
It's cold.
Ooh, super cold. Nani kore? Ariel Japan.
Uy, may controller. Lupit. Ang angas mo naman, Jow. Nakita mo sa kanila yan. Napakita mo sa kanila.
Alin?
Ito.
Do you love Japan?
Yes. I plan to raise our family here.
Joke lang. Itadakimasu.
Marunong ka ba mag-Japanese? Kasi Jao.
Pauwi na kami. It's a quick day since kaka-land lang namin for today. Ito lang yung ginawa namin. Pero ang saya pa rin. So cold. It's freezing. So kakatapos lang ng first day namin. Gusto kong i-share sa inyo itong mga finds ko sa Konbini. Ayan, nag-convenience store kami kanina ni Mo and Taneo. I got 3 items and I want to rate them. This caught my eye kasi mura lang siya. Nasa, hindi ko alam kung magkano siya. These are rice cake dumplings. Ta-da! Ooh! Sauce pa lang yun, pero parang ang sarap na. Okay, kainin na natin.
Sarap niya. It's sweet with a hint of saltiness. Malambot siya. Chewy siya. Mamaya ko na-irate to. But so far, I love it so much. Okay, ito naman. Ano to? Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Pero mukhang malambot na naman siya. It's something soft again. Ooh! Ay, ang lambot. Nag-ano siya. Ganun. Ooh! Lambot. Ay. Ay. Creamy. Sarap. Sarap din siya. Ito naman, more on sweet lang siya. Pero hindi siya super duper sweet. I love it. Sarap niya. Kung alam nyo tawag dito sa snack na to, comment down below, guys. Meron siyang strawberry sa loob. Now for this one. I think this one naman, this is yogurt, I think. Ano kaya lasa ng yogurt dito sa Japan? Yan. Okay, wag na yan. Asim. It's normal yogurt. Feel ko, it's a very, very healthy type of yogurt. It's good for your nutrition, but medyo hindi ko vibe yung taste for tonight. Itong rice cake dumplings, I would rate them 8 out of 10. Yeah. Tapos ito naman. Oh, I love this so much. I think it's a 10 out of 10. Ooh. Yeah. Tapos ito naman, yogurt. Depende. For now, I will rate it 4 out of 10. Thank you so much. Ohayo gozaimasu! So today is another day to enjoy Japan. Ang gagawin namin for today is we're going to Mount Fuji. Tapos after nun, baka mag-shopping kami. Deserve! Okay, let's go!
Nasaan ba si RG?
Hi guys, si RG ay tumatae. Kasi galing ako tumae. Ang tagal kong tumatay. Sarap ng tae ko dito sa Mount Fuji.
Yes.
Tapos, after that, pagkalabas ko, nandun si RG. So, I'm guessing tumae din siya.
Okay, sige.
Ay, Tagalog po siya! Yehey! Gusto ko po ng chicken gangjong with cheese. Isa lang po. Itadakimasu. Wow! What a journey! Dalawa na yung napuntahan namin. At ngayon, nagda-digest na lang kami ng food, chikahan, ganun, before we go to Gotemba. Woo! Okay, so next pupunta kami sa Gotembang. So saan ang Gotembang? Dito lang din sa Japan. Okay, go back to the bus. On the way to Gotemba. So dito sa Gotemba, ang daming shops, ang daming outlets, many different brands. And wala akong binili dito kasi I was saving up my money for shopping at Harajuku. Yeah. Pero ang gaganda ng mga items dito. And ito na ang highlight ko sa Gotemba. Nakapunta ako sa isang Pokemon shop because I love Pokemon so much. Ooh, cute!
Wala nang magpapadagdag ah.
Wala na. Gumana. Ay! Yay! Maglo-locker muna kami ng mga gamit namin dito sa Harajuku para di kami nagdadala-dala ng gamit. Like, eat and go. Perfect! Hello there. So this is where day 2 ends. Kasi close na pala yung mga shops na pupuntahan namin dito sa Harajuku after namin kumain dito. Aww! Hi guys, so everyone is missing, so let's gather the boys. Alamat, handa. Oh, hanapin yung iba. Family picture daw tayo. Tara. Shoutout kay RG, palagi siyang nawawala.
Oo nga, sino si RG? Hanapin
Every
mo
group
na.
picture, wala
RG, nasan ka na RG? Papunta na kami ngayon sa Harry Potter Tokyo, Harry Potter something. So, we have arrived at our destination. So ngayon, magsasnack muna kami kasi we're all hungry. We haven't had breakfast yet. So excited because I watched a lot of Harry Potter when I was young. It was my childhood. So let's go. Malfoy. And this is
Help! Help!
Hello everyone! Hello everyone! Napakarami ng stops namin kanina. Yes, kanina 13 plus 12, something like that, papunta sa Harry Potter. Right? Papunta dito naman
mga ganun din. Tapos pabalik niyan sa place namin. Ganun din ulit. Woo! We're experiencing the Japanese train experience. What can you say, alas?
Actually, we're good.
Daijoubu desu ka?
Yeah, mati good to say.
And that concludes our Japan trip. Till next time, goodbye.